morning, Mike here. Today is a very special day. In fact, in preparation for this day, I have given the garage a complete makeover. But today is special because I leave today for Virginia to pick up my 1984 Pontiac Fiero. I've had this car since I was 16. I'm 50. If my numbers are correct, that it has not been started in 30 years. This is going to make a great series. My dad tells me that he has used the Fiero as a shelf and a storage unit for 30 years. He said, Mike, I will clean it up. I will get all the stuff off. I'll pump up the tires. I'll have it ready for you. I said, no. I want it exactly as it has been over the years. And so that's what this series is, the restoration of my childhood car, the 1984 Pontiac Fiero. I hope that you enjoy it. So with that, let's head to Virginia. All right, we are here on location. This is a time capsule, and we're going to get the Fiero. What we see is what we get, and so here we go. All right, open her up. Oh my gosh, this is going to be fun.
September 1995.
Jeepers creepers. This is my friend Danny. He's going to help me. My brother's back here. He's going to help me get it all out. It's in there. That's it right there. That's it right there. So this is what we get. All right, here we go. Okay, we've got it uncovered. We're going to inflate all the tires and see what we have. We've got a little damage here, and then the drain for the heat pump for the house has smashed into the molding there on the quarter panel, but I think that's replaceable. Don't you just love these 80s windshield wipers? Those things are so cool.
It's still in good shape.
See, I mean, I don't know why we don't just drive it back to Ohio.
It was inspected in 1994, so we still should be good. Less than 20 years old.
Oh, God. Virginia inspection. I also noticed that one of the seats has been ripped pretty bad. All that'll have to be replaced. Brakes aren't seized.
Brakes.
Emergency brake on? Let me check. Put on a few pounds since '89.
Them front brakes are locked up. Get your strap
to it and pull it out. That's all I know.
It may break loose.
It'll break loose.
Get the pavement here.
Hopefully the brakes and the wheels will...
They're all loose.
Are they loose?
Yep.
Good.
Check. Red bars.
Don't let. I don't know if they're loose or not.
Yeah, they're loose.
My brother's a regular Thomas Edison.
You said he was stupid.
I did not say he was stupid. Shut up, Danny.
Said I was stupid.
Good luck fitting in that.
You skinny.
Go ahead. Roll down the window. That's plenty good. Yep. All right. So before we completely unhook, I want to do a little inspection. All right, here you go. Here's the key.
From the gym.
You know you got an old car when you've got a key for the ignition and a key for the trunk. That's modern technology. Oh yeah. The Iron Duke right there. Oh, hold on a second. Let me see that. Don't open it. I want to see the cover of it. Mike and Melissa. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of that. How cool is that? Hold on, here we go. Classic 1980s, the love story of love stories. You ready?
Oh my gosh.
Mike and Mel.
That'll go on the wall.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's your other one.
Got two of them. I put it both right here.
Is that a little baby? You've been little babies for 30 years.
Put it all back. That's so hilarious. Classic moments.
It was out before your daughters get a hold of them. I've never rode in one of those.
So yeah, this is this car shaped my teenage years. It was my identity as a kid. Like once I got this in 86 or 87, the spring of, like nothing else mattered. So I'm real excited about restoring this. I'm just as excited about reading the love letters that are in the glove compartment. So let's check it out. It's got 86,035 miles. Iron Duke. Let's pop the hood and we'll look inside. I don't remember how to do that. Do you know where the hood latch is? Jake, how far is your car? I don't remember. Hood latch is. Oh, here it is.
It's okay. Original.
Everything's still there.
Spare.
The jack's still there.
But it has the amp breeze in it.
It'll explode in your face.
It's got the brake fluid in it.
Brake fluid. Clutch. Alright. Alright.
Hey, put your foot off the brake.
Jeepers. Joe! Joe! All right, let's pull this thing.
That front bump. Snapping and hurt me. Down the road now.
Not like that. I think it's gonna pop off that.
It won't go now. All right. Watch it roll over top of us now. All the way to go. See what I mean?
Hold on.
Roll on top of us, Michael. Roll on top of us. She ain't butt off her.
It didn't even.
Are you taking the?
That's perfect.
Are you taking Miss home with you?
Oh no.
Is it on the winch?
Got the winch stuck.
Well, it ain't stuck.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, we're good. Jeepers, creepers, you're killing me, folks. First stop, the car wash. Here we go. All right, it is no longer a dirty white. It's more like a terribly dingy white with lots of dirt still on it, but a little better. Hey, let's go to Ohio. Okay, I made it home from Virginia. Took about 8 hours because of a few mishaps. So a friend is on his way, and we're going to get the Fiero loaded into the garage. Take a look at this. Yeah. Went deer hunting at about 75 miles an hour. Our first thought was that perhaps we could just simply push the Fiero off of the trailer, but the problem is the front wheels are seized. It'll roll a little bit, but it would take 10 strong men to push it off of the trailer. So we stood around a few minutes and scratched our heads and ultimately decided that we were going to have to drag the Fiero off with my friend's Jeep. So he positioned his Jeep in such a way that we could strap the Jeep to the Fiero and just kind of give it a pull until we could get it off of the trailer and into the garage, or at least close to the garage. And in doing so, we then maneuvered the Jeep to the front side of the Fiero and then pushed the Fiero into the garage, and that worked out great. So I'm glad to have the Fiero home and in the garage safe and sound. The next step in this journey is to get it started. So I think soon I will drop the tank, empty the gas, replace spark plugs, change the oil, do all the necessary things to get it going, and then we'll see what the future holds. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoy this kind of video, be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell tab for future videos. Thank you very much for watching.